So this is part 284C3M1b7c8e3j, and it's line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e3j Magnus force, axis velocity ideas UFO 5G Wow Seti. So there's the alien radio signal, and this one's the keyword research about Magnus force ideas, and the form is going to follow after the keywords are all filled. 10 to 20 videos are in this particular section here. It's part of line 22, there's 50 videos altogether, but in this particular section where we're dealing with the actual engine itself and how to power it, this is part of that. Okay, so December the 9th was when I was working on it, 2012. Today's December 25th. On a keyword, Google Magnus force from self-replicating peptides. From the previous video, we were talking about how to regenerate fuel. So line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e3j self-replicating peptides Magnus force fuels UFO 5G Wow Seti. I think there's 4 videos now for the self-replicating thing. Okay, so the keyword Magnus force, I looked it up to see what it was, and here's a graph here, and it says a quote diagram from the blog. Figure 12, origin of the Magnus force for a ball of radius r, moving with speed v and spinning with angular velocity w and an axis perpendicular to its direction of motion. Okay, so that's from farsideph.utexas.edu. It was a Google link as well, so I don't need that. I don't need 2 links when I post it. So I'm going to quote from a blog. For a ball spinning about an axis perpendicular to its direction of travel, the speed of the ball relative to the air is different on opposite sides of the ball, as illustrated in figure 12. It can be seen from the diagram that the lower side of the ball has a larger speed relative to the air than the upper side. This results in a larger drag force acting on the lower surface of the ball than on the upper surface. If we think of drag forces as exerting a sort of pressure on the ball, and we can readily appreciate that when the unequal drag forces acting on the ball's upper and lower surfaces are added together, there is a component of the resultant force acting upwards. This force, which is known as the Magnus force, after the German physicist Heinrich Magnus, who first described it in 1853, is the dominant spin-dependent force acting on baseballs. farside.ph.utexas.edu. December 9th, I'm going to Google more about the keywords Magnus force, and continue the next set of videos. Okay, thank you for watching.